Good morning, students. Today we'll learn about tense, one of the most important parts of English grammar. Tense helps us express when an action happens, in the past, present, or future. The word tense means time. It tells us whether an action took place in the past, is happening now, or will happen in the future. There are three main types of tense: present, past, and future. Each tense has four forms: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Quote. In the present tense, actions happen now. Example, I play football. That's simple present. If I say I am playing football, that's present continuous. In the past tense, actions already happened. Example, I played football, that's simple past. I was playing football, past continuous. In the future tense, actions will happen later. Example, I will play football, simple future. I will be playing football, future continuous. So remember, tense tells us when something happens: past for yesterday, present for now, and future for tomorrow. Thank you for learning with me today.